All right, welcome back, my dear students. So in this lecture here, we're going to keep checking our pages and make sure that everything works correctly. Let's go to reports, and we can see that we got the report, but I got a feeling we're going to have the same issue here. If I click the delete, we get the same issue, right? So we need to go to that template. All right, what is it? Delete report. Let's co-edit that, and all we got to do is real simple. We just add two more directories going back, and then resources, and that should delete that. And let's just take out the public out of here. And I don't know why this editor looks like this in Chrome. And save. All right, let's go to here and go back. Let's delete number 29. Beautiful. Delete it, delete it, delete it. Beautiful. All right, so let's go to products. Here on products, if we click here and we say SSSS update, product is working really cool. All right, now if we try to delete the product, then we have a problem, right? Because we have that delete on the templates. We're gonna have a problem with all the templates here. Again, if you want, what you could do is you could grab that whole template back, that whole directory, all right, and put it in your editor like this in a blank place, right? And I'll show you real quick. Ecom, and then resources, templates, and back like that. All right, and then you can look for anything in files. Hopefully your editor has that, and you could just replace everything. All right, find everything in file. Actually, I do mine in files, and I can replace all this required ones here. You see those config on top. I think we only have, what is it? Only the delete templates are gonna have that. The delete product, delete. We already did the delete order and delete report. So we got delete product and delete user and delete category that we need to do. I think we can do that manually, right? Why not? Let's just do it manually. Why we need to worry ourselves, right? So much with that. Let's go and do that manually. All right. So I'm just gonna make this a little bigger here. Let's go and close that. And I think, and close this. There we go. All right. So I'm just gonna open a new screen here, and I'm gonna go to, this is a public, right? We go to our resources, templates, and back, and here we're gonna take in delete category. Let's do this one that's on top first, and we're just gonna add two dots. Don't be lazy, do it. This is really simple stuff. Resources, then we take out the admin here, the public, I mean. There we go. Save. So we got that done. Then delete product, co-edit, enter, two dots, resources. There we go. Perfect. Then delete user. And that's it. We're done with this. There we go. Resources. Go check, delete the admin, the public. I keep saying admin. I don't know why. All right, and then we go to admin here and we'll check it out, right? I'm not gonna delete my product because it's a hassle to actually get this to work, right? I mean, to insert this information with PHP admin. We don't know if our product here works. All right, it might not work, so we need to check that out. Categories, we can try this, test, and categories is not working. We got something wrong here on the path. You probably saw that, and you didn't even tell me. Not very happy with you, my students. I messed up on the path right here. You see that? Because I was going too fast. All right. Let's go back now and check it out. Let's delete this t-shirt. Beautiful, it works. Let's test this out. Test. There we go, that works. Let's add something here. Example demo 1000 public. That looked like it did not work, so we need to debug that and find out why. So users, we have some users here. I'll delete this one. That works. This dem user, okay, he's deleting users. So we got that working. We got the categories working. The add product, we need to make that work. View products updating, it's working. All right, so that's pretty cool. We can test this out with an image. Let's put another image here, make sure that maybe we need to fix that too, who knows. Okay, that's working. That's beautiful, isn't it? We got this e-commerce site working online. Unbelievable, beautiful. There's a couple more things that we need to do, but things are actually working out for us. So the add product, we're gonna fix that on the next lecture, okay? And I'll see you then. All right, keep having fun. Take care.